You won't believe this. An AI-generated website is making over 1,000 a day with no employees, no coding, and no human work. Want to know how it works? And how you can copy it in 3 steps? Let's go. Welcome everyone to our discussion on this fascinating automated AI website system. You know, the one that's pulling in over $1,000 a day with zero human intervention.
Wow, that's crazy. So we're talking about an AI-powered website that pretty much runs on autopilot, right?
Exactly. It's like, imagine having a virtual employee working round the clock, writing content, managing products, even chatting up customers all on its own.
Yeah, I've got to say, that idea really grabs your attention. How does it all come together?
Well, it starts with building the website. Tools like Durable.co or 10web can create a full website in under 60 seconds. It's like you just answer a couple of questions and it's like boom, your site is live with content and images already in place.
So there's no need for in-depth coding or designing skills. That really lowers the entry barrier for entrepreneurs or even hobbyists, doesn't it?
Absolutely, it's all about making it accessible. And once the website's up, the next step is automating the content creation. That part leverages tools like ChatGPT or WriteSonic to generate blog posts and content regularly.
Yep, that's really interesting. It's almost like outsourcing your creative work to an AI writer, right?
Yeah, exactly. The system is designed to post fresh content 2 to 3 times a week with SEO keywords, so it not only keeps the website updated, but also helps with search engine rankings.
Yeah, I see. I'm curious though, doesn't it feel a bit impersonal when the content is all AI generated?
That is a fair point. But think about it. The AI isn't trying to mimic deep creativity. It's optimizing for SEO and engagement. It's like, having a reliable writer that churns out quality content without needing breaks.
I guess when you look at the numbers, it's hard to argue. Over $1,000 a day is impressive.
Totally. And then comes the monetization part. Once your site is generating traffic, you can sell digital products like ebooks or online courses using platforms like Gumroad or Podia. It's like just create once and then let the system handle the rest.
Yeah, interesting. Using Gumroad for automated delivery really ties that whole system together. So how is the customer interaction handled on this site?
Great question. The website integrates an AI chatbot using tools like TDO or Intercom. This bot not only responds to user queries, but also collects emails for marketing and upsells products. It's like having a full-time customer service rep, available 24/7.
Exactly. That sounds incredibly efficient. And what about the analytics side of things? How does the owner know what's working?
So, the system includes Google Analytics to track performance. It's all about monitoring traffic, conversion rates, and making necessary tweaks. Kind of like having a dashboard that constantly tells you, hey, here's what's awesome and here's what can be improved.
Yeah, that's smart. It just seems like every part of the process is automated. Doesn't that make it feel a bit too robotic or disconnected from human touch?
I get where you're coming from, yet the aim here is efficiency. It's a system built for running itself. Sure, some might argue it lacks that personal charm, but the proof is in the earnings. Plus you can always add personal touches when needed without compromising the automation flow.
I can see that. It's like you let the AI handle the routine while you step in for the big creative decisions.
Exactly. And speaking of automation, the full flow involves connecting multiple tools seamlessly. Durable for the site, ChatGPT for content, Gumroad for sales, TDO for chat, and analytics to optimize performance.
Right. That's an impressive ecosystem. But isn't it kind of a challenge to ensure all these pieces communicate well with one another?
Yeah. It's not magic. There's some setup required. Once you get that integration right though, it's smooth sailing. It's like, if you think of it as a well-oiled machine where every cog, no matter how small, contributes to the overall success.
Indeed. I'm wondering though, how easy is it for someone with zero technical skills to implement all this?
It's designed to be as user-friendly as possible. These AI site builders literally ask you a few simple questions up front, and boom, they generate a complete site. And for the content and monetization parts, there are clear tutorials
that's really
and doorstep
accessible.
instructions.
But let's be real. Automation like this, while powerful, might run into issues like unforeseen downtime or glitches. Any thoughts on that?
That's a valid challenge. You have to monitor periodically. Even though it's set and forget, a quick check-in now and then can help catch any hiccups. I mean, when you think about it like a self-driving car, you trust it but still keep an eye out.
That's true. That analogy really brings it home. It's all about balancing automation with a touch of oversight.
Exactly. And the call to action? It's pretty inspiring. Encouraging people to drop a comment if they want the full checklist and, to start building their own AI website, even if they're complete beginners.
Absolutely, that's a strong motivational push. With all these pieces working together, it almost sounds too good to be true. Do you think there's any catch?
Well, in every system, there's a learning curve. You need to understand how to set up integrations and keep up on emerging tools. But once you've got it, the results are quite compelling.
Right. I guess it's about embracing technology and letting it work for you, freeing up your time for creative strategizing.
Absolutely. You're freeing yourself from the grind of constant content updates, manual tasks, and letting automation handle the heavy lifting.
That's empowering. What about the digital product sales? How does the system handle that seamlessly?
So the digital products, such as an AI-generated ebook or an online course, are set up once on platforms like Gumroad. After that, it's all about automated delivery. It's like a vending machine for digital goods. You make it, you upload it, and the machine sells it round the clock.
And that kind of passive income stream is exactly what many people dream about.
Right on. The beauty is that you don't need a team or constant management. It's fully automated. Every piece, from the website build to content creation to customer support,
that's impressive.
is designed to run autonomously.
But just to challenge a bit, don't these systems sometimes become too generic over time? I mean, how do you keep it fresh?
That's a real concern. While the automation handles routine tasks, you still need to inject creativity and monitor trends. So, there's room for tweaking and human input to keep the content and products relevant.
This full automation flow really seems like a game changer for anyone looking to build an online business without the usual hassles.
Exactly. It's a holistic package. Website setup, content, sales, and support, all running in a self-sufficient system. And if you're interested, you can always dive deep into the checklist provided by the host to replicate it step by step.
It's revolutionary. Well, thanks for walking through all of this. It's been an engaging ride through the world of AI automation.
Absolutely, it's been a blast. Remember, folks, if you want to harness the power of AI for your own income stream, now's the time to jump in.
Until next time, keep exploring and stay innovative.
Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.